How to convert a series of index/category into a classification array. How to convert a series of indexes into a 2D array which expresses the category/classifier that's defined by the index's values in list. For example, and the return value of convert to categories would be like. In last resort, I could of course parse the list, count the number of categories, it's contiguous/continuous. It could be simply to find the maximum, create a zeroed array with the good size found, then reparse the list, so as to fill the array according the indices given by the list, with 1 or true. But I am wondering if there exists a more Pythonic, or dedicated numpy, or pandas function to achieve this kind of transformation.
You can do something like this. Sample run. Or, better just directly index into the output array with the row and column indices.
E se o nosso sem tutoriais considere-se servindo.